So let me show you how to enable and disable noise cancellation on your Soundcore Liberty 5 earbuds. So assuming you're wearing the earbuds, you can turn on noise cancellation simply from the app. Just go to the Soundcore app and bring up your Liberty 5s and then just tap on noise cancellation. And that's going to enable noise cancellation. Now, if you're wearing your earbuds, you can also use touch controls or gestures. And so to know which touch gesture enables noise cancellation, you need to go to controls and then find out which one does. So you can see the long press on the left earbud cycles between noise cancellation and transparency. So that basically means when you long press, okay, it's going to cycle between noise cancellation and transparency. So let me just put them on and do that. So I'm gonna long press on the left earbud, and you can see that turns on noise cancellation. Okay, now let's check the controls for the right earbud. And also you can see a long press will also cycle between noise cancellation and transparency mode. So let's see, let's go and long press on the right earbud, transparency mode, long press again, noise cancellation. So that is basically, beg your pardon, that's basically how to do it. And by long pressing, I mean just long pressing like this, okay, for about 3 to 5 seconds. So that's basically how to do that. Now, this could have been edited to something else. So if you customize your controls to something different, maybe a triple press or a long press, you just need to come to the app and confirm what different gestures do. Thanks for watching and good luck.